What's going on, guys? Today I want to show you guys a quick video about the new beta build that was just released for Q on the OnePlus 6T. Now, I've been playing around with this build for a while now, and I gotta say, it's not up to par to what the Pixel or the Essential phone has. This one feels pretty much rushed, bare bones. It doesn't even feel like a beta. It feels more like an alpha at best. There's a lot of things missing, and I know a lot of people are gonna say, "Well, this is not for normal consumers. It's for developers." But if you look on the website, it says for early adopters, and that's what we are. So let's check it out. So as you can see here, we got the shelf on the left side, and if you want to scroll up, nope, the apps come over. The apps, for whatever reason, come up instead of the shelf scrolling up, but whatever, And if we go to the settings real quick, let's see here. We got the Wi-Fi settings. We have the normal connected devices. I guess now it gives you different options, like files received via Bluetooth. You can connect your Chromebook and link it to your phone. We got battery. I got battery percentage on, but it doesn't show. That's okay. What else do we have here? We got display. We got everything that you will see, but now we have a new option called theme. You have light and dark, and I like how quick that changes too. So we got we got the normal font size, display size. If we go to sound, you get the usual. I don't see anything here that's new. And if we go to storage, we just have a more detailed view, pretty nice. And if we go now to privacy, we have a permissions manager. What this does is it shows you exactly what apps are using what and how many apps are using what permissions. For example, if you go under location, you'll see that it says 28 of 60. That means that 28 apps out of 60 are using my location, and the other 60 have the permission denied, as you can see. And Chrome has it only while I'm using the app. So that's pretty neat, because you can now see what apps are using what, and you could deny those permissions if you don't want to. So let's see what else we got here. We have the usual. If you want to show your sensitive information on the lock screen, show passwords and whatnot. Let's see, what else do we have? Autofill, the usual. And then if we go back out, we got location. Now here's an interesting thing I found. See, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning, they're just here. They're easy accessible. You don't have to go through like developer options. But now you have the ability to turn them on and off. So if you want to save that precious battery, you could just turn them off. I know there's a lot of people that don't like having Wi-Fi scan or Bluetooth scanning all the time. And, you could turn them off now. I know that some apps require those permissions in order for them to give you a better location. But it doesn't matter. It's whatever you like, whatever you prefer. So if you go to security, we have the usual here. Smart lock. It doesn't have face unlock yet, so that's missing. Everything else is the same. If we go to buttons and gestures, we only have the camera turn on with double twice power button, and we also have the usual, OnePlus options here. And if we go back out, we have we go to system. Under gestures, we only have those options. Yeah, that's it. And if we go here and we go to developer options, what I found, if you go all the way down here, we got theming. Now you could change, look at the theme, black and white. That's what I have. When you first install the beta, it comes like this, like a mint green. But you could change it. You could change to a lime green if you want, or you could change it to a purple. Look at that, looks pretty good. But I'm gonna go back to my black one. And also you could change the fonts from here. As you can see, they change. I'm gonna go back to default because it looks better. And also the icon shape. Yeah, you could change it. And then what else do we have? So now you also get the option to, when you want to dismiss a notification. So let me go back out. Sorry. So if you want to dismiss a notification, see this? I change it so that I don't want to do it and dismiss on the right. I want to do it on the left. So if I go like this, to the left, dismiss. Dismiss. If I go right, you could snooze it and, silence it. But if you hold it, it'll give you that option. So if you want to just turn off notifications, interruptive, gentle, gives you the option and you choose whatever you want. So guys, with that being said, this was a quick video of the beta of the newly released Q update. So I wouldn't recommend anybody just yet to just jump on it and try to install it. And the reason for that is because I've had occasions where I made a phone call. People tell me that it sounds horrible, but other people tell me it sounds fine. There's also some issues with SMS. I don't have those issues. I had some of those issues. Some of the apps are not working correctly, like the WhatsApp. I usually use that for work. I log in, but I can't restore my chat, and I'm not getting the messages yet. So what else do we have here? So I would suggest you guys just wait for another update to be released. Right now, this is just not even a daily driver material. It's just bare bones, and it's really buggy, and it doesn't really have anything to show. Like there's none of those new features that they showed on the Google I/O that you could check out either. And then if you look at the on-screen buttons, that's the only options we have. We don't get anything else. The Pixel, the Essential, they get the new gestures, with the iPhone gestures. We don't even get our usual or our normal OnePlus gestures here. So all in all, guys, I would just suggest you wait and just be patient. But with that being said, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. If you like the video, like it. If you want to comment on it, if you want to see anything, just let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.